guys and gals, welcome to T.A.B.Videos. Glad you could stop by this morning. Sunny day, cold day. Would take a moment, hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification. That way you'll be notified if any new videos come out. I'd appreciate it, and I would appreciate your support if you would do that for me. Ruger 380 Max, LCP 380 Max. Nice little gun, carry gun. It's nice. I carry it in a small Blade Tech inside the waistband holster. Nice little package. It's light. You can carry it all day. It don't bother you. I use this for work. But this is not my main primary carry gun. But today we're going to run some factory defense ammo through it. We haven't done that in a while. So it's that time of year, we might as well do it. So let's load her up and see what happens. Okay, got some hollow points. I can't remember the manufacturer of it, but I got just about out of them. I wanted to use them up, but let's just shoot them anyway. All right, here we go. And she's empty. That's all of those. Fired them well. Let's try some more. These are my main carry loads. I've got a full box here plus one more at home, so we're just going to shoot a cylinder full of them, see how they do, just to use them up because they've been in the gun for a while. It's a 380 auto 90 grain JHP V-crown bullet. And I did a water jug test on these last year when I first started getting them, and it had wonderful expansion. Let's give a chain full of these things. Mag full of them. Chain thing. All right, here we go. Shot them all, no problem. Well, there you go. The Ruger LCP 380 Max. Double stack, 12 round magazines. Comes with a 10 round magazines, but I picked up some 12 rounders. Well, it comes with a 10 and a 12, I believe. Of course, it's got night sights on the front. Excellent little pistol. Thanks for watching. God bless America and Armed Forces past and present, and we'll see you on the next video.